Okay, another quick video on the evolution of the design of this part of the rover. So the initial bearing was completely 3D printed, and although very functional, there was a tremendous amount of play which was not good for this assembly. So the second design utilizes, again, a 3D printed bearing, but this has steel balls, much smoother, significantly less play, and although fully functional, it allows for a lot of axial movement here as well. You can hear the bearing actually moving sideways in the housing. So the last design, certainly more complex and heavier, but that eliminates the play without using a radial bearing, which is not designed for side load. This version uses an axial bearing, which is absolutely designed for side load, and that bearing fits in the pocket, and this swivels on the axial bearing, and then the axial bearing is held in by a retainer here, which actually has another small shouldered bearing there, and we can adjust the tension by the tightness of this nut. So the shoulder joint here, it can spin very freely, and there's almost no play in this direction at all whatsoever because it's maintained by the retainer in the back here with the inner bearing. So as you can see, it's not just about printing 3D parts. There's a lot to iterative design.